Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Todd. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Community Physician Network. I've been with the network since 2018. I practice in Anderson. It's a small town, but we have a great OR. We have a great hospital. I'd probably say we have probably the best OR of all the CPN systems. Based on what I hear people talking, I think aside from maybe having a surgery center, our facility is probably the best. I get as close to being in a surgery center, being in a hospital setting, but our OR staff, they rock. They do a great job. Some of the new things we have going on at Anderson, we now have the Stryker Mako robotic total joint system. So we're trying to emphasize that in terms of what we can offer patients in terms of robotic training. The Mako allows for a customized type of procedure for your total knee arthroplasty. Everybody's a little bit different, but the Mako robot allows us to use those differences to really set people up for success. I think that's really added a lot to our practice and what we can provide at Anderson now. People have been very happy with it in terms of their outcomes. I think their range of motions have been much better, and pain control is better. And I think in the long run, it's going to be a big advantage for us. Initially, when I was in the Army, I did all my training in the military, and I did my sports medicine fellowship at West Point. So I was a sports medicine guy. I did everything through the camera, ACLs, shoulder, reconstructions and whatnot. Now that I work in Anderson, the population is older. We do lots of rotator cuffs. I like doing shoulder reconstruction, total shoulder replacements, reverse total shoulders. And then now one of the things I really enjoy is doing total knees. I've been a surgeon for I graduated in 2006 and then stayed in the Army until 13. And then got out, and I would have to say my first job selection was Ohio State, and I had a reason why I went there. But I was looking for growth, and new opportunity, and a new adventure. And I think having been in the Army and moving around and things like that, my wife and I kind of got a little bit of a itch per se, and we're like, let's see if there's something different out there. We have a small practice where there's only two of us. It gets a little stressful at times because of the number of providers. There's only two of us. We're on call all the time. But at the same time, my unit or my group that I work with, we really do a good job. It's probably as close to being as tight as my Army family was in terms of the people that I work with. My OR, they're part of my new military family. My staff at my office, they're part of my family now. So that's what motivates me, to try to keep everybody on the same page and just keep us moving forward and have a good time as best we can. I'm Dr. Michael Todd. I'm an orthopedic surgeon with Community Physician Network since 2018.